Hi my dear kids, welcome to Easy Learn and Funny Learn. In this video, we are going to see chapter 3, Food and Digestion of NSO Workbook 4, that is class 4. So here the test skills covered are food and nutrients, cooking methods, microbes, preservation of food and digestive system. So come, let's see the practice questions. So first one, select the correct match from the following. Option A, incisor screwdriver. B, canine grinder. C, molar scissor. D, premolar grinder. So we all know that, see, incisor teeth are used for cutting the food, canines tearing, premolars crushing and molars grinding. Okay. So here the correct match from the following is premolar grinder. So option D is the correct answer. Second one. Which of the following teeth function in the same way as the object shown in the picture? A, incisor. B, canine. C, premolars. D, both A and B. So we know the given object is mortar, which is used for grinding. So we already saw that incisor teeth are used for cutting, canines tearing, premolar crushing and molars grinding the food. So here, which of the following teeth function in the same way as the object shown in the picture is premolars. So option C is the correct answer. Third one, dehydration is a method of preserving food by option A, adding sugar. B, drying. C, adding salt. D, boiling. We already know that dehydration means removing moisture from the food or removing water from the food. It is done by drying. So dehydration is a method of preserving food by drying. Option B is the correct answer. Fourth one, dash is the method used to cook the item shown here. Option A, steaming. B, frying. C, boiling. D, baking. So the given food item shown here is pizza. I know all kids like pizza very much, and also we know pizza is cooked by baking. Yes, by baking. Option D is the correct answer. Baking is the method used to cook the item shown here. So baking is the method used to cook the pizza. Okay. Option D. Fifth one. Select the odd one out. Option A, stomach. B, mouth. C, small intestine. D, esophagus. So stomach, mouth, small intestine are digestive organ where digestion of food occurs. But in esophagus, no digestion take place. Okay. So the odd one out is option D, esophagus. Sixth one, boiling a liquid and then quickly cooling it down is a popular preservation method. It is called option A, canning. B, pickling. C, saturation. D, freezing. So in saturation method, a liquid is first heated at a high temperature, then quickly cooled down. So it kills the microbes and it increases the storage period. It is a popular preservation method. So option C is the correct answer. 7th one. Dash is the organ where absorption of water from food occurs. So option A, stomach, B, liver, C, small intestine, D, large intestine. So absorption of water from food occurs in large intestine. So option D is the correct answer. 8th one. Which of the following diseases are caused by bacteria? 1. Malaria, 2. Tuberculosis, 3. Dengue, 4. Measles, 5. Typhoid. So option A, malaria, tuberculosis and typhoid. Option B, tuberculosis and typhoid only. C, tuberculosis, measles and typhoid only. D, tuberculosis, dengue and measles only. So malaria is a protozoan disease. Tuberculosis and typhoid are bacterial disease. Dengue and measles are viral disease. So which of the following diseases are caused by bacteria are tuberculosis and typhoid? Option B is the correct answer. 9th one. Which of the following parts of digestive system is the longest? Option A, large intestine, B, small intestine, C, stomach, D, esophagus. So small intestine is the longest part of digestive system. So option B is the correct option. 10th one. Refer to the given figure showing different methods of cooking. Identify these methods and select the correct option. So in figure L, idlis are steamed. Okay. In figure M, cake is baked. In figure N, puris are fried. So first cooking method is steaming, second cooking method is baking, third cooking method is frying. So option C is the correct answer. Steaming, baking and frying. Okay. 11th one. I have a crown. I am not a king. I have a neck. I am not an animal. I have a root. I am not a plant. What does I represent in the above riddle? A, bacterium, B, tooth, C, nail, D, tongue. So actually we know a tooth is structurally divided into 3 parts. Upper crown, middle neck and lower root. Root is embedded in the gum and fastens tooth here. So the correct option is tooth. I represent tooth in the above riddle. Okay. 12th one. Which of the following statements about saliva are correct? First, saliva is mainly water. 2. Saliva makes it easier for us to swallow our food. 3. Saliva softens our food. So option A, 1 and 2 only. Option B, 1 and 3 only. Option C, 2 and 3 only. Option D, 1, 2 and 3, that is all of these. So we know saliva, which is mainly consists of water, which is secreted in our mouth to help in digestion of the food. So first option is correct. 1 is correct, and also it has enzymes and water which make it easier for us to swallow our food. So second point also correct. So saliva makes the food softens. So it makes easier to swallow our food. So third point also correct. So which of the following statement about saliva are correct? All the statements are correct. So option D is the correct answer. Okay. 13th one. The given figure shows human digestive system with parts labeled as D, E, F, G and H. In which label parts the following occur? 1. Acid and enzymes break the food. 2. Absorption of digested food in the blood. So, stomach E is a large sac-like organ. Food is broken down here with the help of digestive juice. So, digestive juice contains acid and enzymes. Okay. Next, absorption of digested food into the blood. So, that is small intestine G. Here hair-like outgrowth are present, which are richly supplied with blood vessels. Absorption of nutrients from the digested food into the blood is done here. So for the point 1 is C, E, that is stomach, sac-like organ. Point 2 states small intestine, that is G. So option B, E and G is the correct option. Okay. Draw a balanced diet pyramid but made some mistakes. Select the correct option regarding in it. Option A. Food items in block 1 should be replaced by food items in block 4. B. Food items in block 2 and 3 should be interchanged. C. Food items in block 1 and 2 should be interchanged. Option D. Food items in block 3 should be replaced with food items in block 4. So now refer the pyramid. So in 1 they give meat and dairy products. 2. Fat, oil, salts and sweets. 3. Fruits and vegetables, that is protective food. 4. Grains and cereals, that is carbohydrate, energy giving food. Okay. So in balanced diet pyramid, carbohydrate, that the energy giving food items should be placed at the bottom block, that is 4. And fruit and vegetables should be taken in good amounts next to carbohydrate, hence placed above carbohydrate. And protein rich food, meat, poultry, fish, egg, dry beans and dairy products should be kept in 2. And then fat, oil, salt and sweets, that is maximum energy giving food, that should be keep in 1. Okay. So here food items in block 1 and 2 should be interchanged. Fat, oil, salt and sweets should come top, and then meat, poultry, fish, egg, dry beans and dairy product should be kept below fat, oil, salts and sweets. So option C is the correct answer. Okay. 15th one. Match the following columns and select the correct option. Vitamins deficiency disease. Option A, vitamin A, B, vitamin B, C, vitamin D. Here, deficiency diseases. 1. Scurvy, 2. Anemia, 3. Night blindness, 4. Berry, 5. Rickets. So, match the following columns and select the correct option. Here, vitamin A is cause deficiency diseases is night blindness. So, A, 3. Vitamin B deficiency disease is beriberi. So, B, 4. Vitamin C deficiency disease is scurvy. So, C, 1. Vitamin D deficiency disease is rickets. So, D, 5. So, option B is the correct answer. And the next section is achiever section, that is higher order thinking skills. So come, let's see. 16th one. The given statement which summarize the process of digestion are not given in correct sequence. Arrange them in sequence and select the correct option. P. Absorption of water. Q. Churning of food and addition of digestive juices. Or mixing with saliva. Yes. Complete the digestion of food and absorption of nutrients. T. Expulsion of feces. So we know correct process is when food is taken in the mouth, it is chewed and get mixed with saliva secreted in the mouth. So R should come first. Once swallowed, the food moves through the esophagus into the stomach, where churning and digestion of food with digestive juices occurs. So first R, second Q. Then the semi-digested food then moves into the small digestion, where complete digestion as well as absorption of nutrients occur. So R, Q, then S. So from the undigested food, the water is absorbed in the large intestine. So P process will take place. R, Q, S, then P. After this, undigested food is expelled through the anus in the form of feces. So T, okay. So R, Q, S, P, T, okay. So option A is the correct answer. 17th one. In a research, it is proved that in old age, one should take more quantity of proteins in diet than any other group of food. Which of the following justifies this? Option A. Protein help to repair and build muscles. In old age, muscle growth increases, hence protein intake should be more. Option B. Protein help to repair and build muscle. In old age, muscles become weak, hence protein intake should be more. C. Protein give energy to the body. In old age, the body needs more energy to work. Hence, protein intake should be more. D. Protein give energy to the body. In old age, the body uses stored fat. Hence, protein intake should be more. So, they asked, which of the following justifies that old age should take more quantity of protein in diet? Okay. So, as per the above statement, protein help to repair and build muscles because in old age, muscles become weak. Hence, protein intake should be more. So, option B is the correct answer. 18th one. Which of the labeled areas in the Venn diagram represents the small intestine? Option A1, B2, C3, D4. So we know, please refer the Venn diagram, and also we know that small intestine is the area in which complete digestion takes place. Okay. So actually by 3 is the correct option, because 3 means organ for digesting food and also organ for absorbing food. So the correct option is 3. Okay. 3 area represents the small intestine, because small intestine is the organ for digesting food as well as organ for absorbing food. Okay. Nineteenth one. Refer to the given conversation among 3 friends. Anand says, all of our teeth have same basic structure of root, neck and crown and are made of a tough material called dentine. Rajesh says, if a small intestine is removed from the body, digestion of food will take place, but absorption of water from food will not occur. Meetu says, the teeth at the back of jaw are premolars and molars. They both are found in milk teeth set as well as permanent teeth. So, which of these friends made an incorrect statement? So, Anand, his statement is correct because all of our teeth have same basic structure, root, neck and crown, and are made of a tough material called dentine. It is the correct statement. Okay. Rajesh, if small intestine is removed from the body, digestion of food will take place. No, if small intestine is removed from the body, digestion of food won't take place. But absorption of water from food will not occur. No, actually, absorption of food is taken by large intestine. So, his statement is incorrect. Meetu. The teeth at the back of jaw are premolars and molars, correct. But they both are found in milk teeth. No, molars and premolars are not found in milk teeth set. So, option C, Rajesh and Meetu only is the correct option. They made an incorrect statement. Okay. 20th one. Refer to the given graph showing the amount of undigested food during the process of digestion in the gut and select the correct option. Refer the graph, that is amount of undigested food versus gut. Okay. So, option A, X is a small intestine, Y is a large intestine, Z is a oesophagus, D, P is a large intestine. So, select the correct option. So, refer the given graph. Here, X is a oesophagus because with no change in amount of undigested food. So food in buccal cavity and oesophagus will be same because in oesophagus no digestion, nothing takes place. It just passes the food, okay, from mouth to stomach. Then Y is a stomach and Z is a small intestine with decreasing amount of undigested food. Okay, so buccal cavity and X should be same, and Y and C here digestion takes place. And P is a large intestine as no further digestion occurs here. So option D, P is a large intestine is the correct option because X is oesophagus, Y is stomach and Z is small intestine and P is large intestine. They told us to select the correct option. So option D is the correct answer. So in our next video, we are going to see chapter 4, human needs. If you like my video, please like this video and subscribe. Thank you my dear kids. Take care. Bye bye.